I got a gift. I can't wait. I am not the best at explaining perfume, but I'm going to do my best. This is the first fragrance collections of Emotions by Charlotte Tilbury. 6 new incredible fragrances powered by emotion-boosting molecules. All right, let's check this out. Even the card smells good. My husband's going to wonder when I walk upstairs. Thank you, Charlotte Tilbury, first of all. That's a very kind gift, and I can't wait to share it with everybody. The keynotes in Joyphoria are neroli oil, ylang ylang, and solar vanilla. Happiness in a bottle, radiant ylang ylang, uplifting neroli oil, and solar vanilla helps transport you to pure paradise. I'm really excited about this one. When I go to my spiritual healer, friend of mine, she always puts oil on my body after my treatment or after our session. And I asked her, what is that smell? It's so good. It was neroli. So I think I'm going to really love this. Is it a rollerball? No. Oh, I'm going to wear this. I have an appointment with Elena tomorrow, and she's going to love this. Oh, that's so good. It's the first one I've tried, but that's my favorite. Oh, it's just so good. Okay, let's go to Calm Bliss. Serenity in a bottle. This calm infusion will help soothe your senses and make you feel reborn. With relaxing lavender oil, sweet water accord, and blissful white musk, a single spray of this scent will transport you to a tranquil oasis. I'm going to say my sister-in-law's because my sister-in-law and my nephew's partner, Mallory, were here, and I just want to call them my sisters-in-law. I can't say my nephew's partner. It's too long. She feels like a sister-in-law. Anyway, they were here yesterday, and she just kept saying, I love lavender. We were talking about natural oils and what they do for us. And I might just have to give this to her. I'm going to spray it on a tissue. Oh, it's so pretty. I have to give this to her. I love this though. It reminds me of a spa, like when yeah, it's aquatic. That's exactly what it is. Love frequency. Florals. I love florals. I really wanted to do a fragrance collection. I'm not quite ready for that yet. I do realize that's all I have in my collection are florals, floral scents, all of them. A love portal in a bottle imbued with hypnotic rose, warm cashmere wood, and pink pepper. It is sultry and enchanting. This soft, sensual floral blend elicits feelings of love to make your heart dance, leaving an intoxicating scent trail in its path. Oh, I smell the pepper. I have to let that sit for a second. So spicy. Now I smell the rose. And cashmere wood. The pepper quickly settled. That's soft. It's pretty. I want to write the name of this down and come back to it. It's not an immediate I love it for this one because of the pepper. It kind of choked me. But it's very pretty. And it's the rose, like if you don't like rose scent, it's not in your face rose. And I think that's probably what the pepper and the cashmere wood does. Like it grounds it in some way. Yeah, it's very, very soft. Next, I'm going to go with Cosmic Power. Pretty purple. The scent type is woody spices. We've got spices cocktail, black pepper oil, cinnamon bark oil, clove, frankincense accord, and amber accord. What does that mean when they say accord? I feel like I'm wasting my tissue. I just want to separate these. There, that makes more sense. Oh, that's pretty. Right away. Oh, that's really pretty. Spices cocktail. What is it again? Amber, frankincense. I like it. That's all I can tell you. I still love Joyful the most. That's pretty. I can't wait to try these on, like to see how they sit on my skin. This sits really nice on my skin, Joyful. Next, I've got Magic Energy. It's earthy and woody. Bergamot oil, cypress, ultimate, Palo Santo. I love Palo Santo. It says Palo Santo Accord. I'm going to like this because I love Palo Santo. I own it. I burn it. Vitality in a bottle. Awaken your senses with invigorating Palo Santo Accord, energizing bergamot oil, and sophisticated cypress. A balance of earthy, woody, and sweet. This scent radiates pure energy to rejuvenate and revitalize. We've got green. That's heart energy. I don't think I've ever loved so many perfumes. Some of them make me, give me a headache. These are not giving me a headache. They're not making me feel sick at all. They're yummy. Love it, love it, love it. I knew I'd like that one. And then the next one is more sex. Warm and spicy. Seduction in a bottle, powered by velvety musk, leather accord, and sensual sandalwood. It is warm, spicy, and enticing. The magnetic blend feels like a rush of pure passion, creating a captivating chemistry that you cannot deny. Leave behind a sexy, hypnotic trail to reel them in. Do you know what I think? I think if you're confident, you're sexy. I'm sure these scents bring on emotions, but the bottom line, if you feel pretty, if you feel good about yourself and you feel like you smell nice, you're going to be confident and you're going to be sexy. My room is going to smell so good. Okay, this reminds me of vacation. Like a luxury hotel, not a spa, not floral. Obviously, it's woodsy. But yeah, it feels like, kind of reminds me of like a lounge. That's pretty. I would say it is a sensual smell. I would describe it as a nighttime scent. Very pretty. Okay, I want to revisit this one again. Yeah. What was it? Love Frequency. This is the one I kind of choked on in the beginning. Yeah, it's very pretty. It was just that initial pepper smell. I didn't notice such a pepper smell with the last one. Very nice, guys. Very nice. You have to go in and test it yourself, obviously, but I think this collection is really beautiful. And I'm so happy. I have ideas of who I want to gift these to now, but is that rude? I've opened them now. Selfishly, I want to keep them, and givingly, I want to give some away to friends and family. My mom loves perfume too. Obviously, these are the travel sizes. Let me see, what sizes do they come in? Is this Canadian? Oh yeah, that's Canadian. They're not that bad. The travel size is $34 Canadian, and the 3.5 ounces is $210. Oh, and there is a gift set right here. So you can get the travel and the full size for $210. That's a beautiful gift. And there is a collection of 3 for $82 Canadian. You get Love Frequency, Joyphoria, and More Sex. You get the travels of those. For anyone that loves perfume, I think that they're going to love it. But again, it's all personal taste, right? So what I like may not be what you like, or may not be what your family member likes. I hope this helps. I hope I didn't put this up too late for gift ideas. Really nice. It could be a gift for yourself for sure. I will leave the links to all the perfumes in the description box for you, as well as my makeup look. If you use the links, it does help me. It provides me with a small commission, and I'm so grateful if you do. No pressure at all though. And yeah, I'm just grateful for you being here. If you like this video, if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, share with all your friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.